Hi, good evening. Today I would like to discuss a word with you. Inundated. Inundated means in abundance, abundantly. Like inundated rain. Inundated rain led the city to a flood. So, this word inundated actually, when I came across this word, I found I could feel that this word is somewhat connected with me also. It got a significance, it got a role in my life. The inundated passion to learn the language. That was the only tool helped me to acquire the skill of speaking English. I swear, nothing I had but only passion. I wanted to speak. I wanted to speak English. Years back, when I restarted my studies, because of some personal reasons, I had to discontinue my studies and I got married and I got a child and I was a very peaceful, very contented, very satisfied housewife with a loving husband and a lovely child. Everything was there with me. But then also something was inside me, an inundated passion to speak English. Don't know how it got in me. Maybe because I studied in a school and nearby that school there was another convent school. My way back home, I used to be followed by groups of girls from that convent, and they used to speak English very fluently. And those groups, their entire communication was in English, and I found it so, what do you call it? I started thinking, if they can speak, why can't I speak? Why can't we speak? I discussed this with my friends also. They told me, hey, because those students, they are from a convent school, they are from the English background, and maybe they might have born and brought up in foreign countries. A lot of reasons may be there. We didn't get that much exposure. We are studying in Malayalam medium school, and at home also we all are following our mother tongue. That may be the reason. So you just leave it. It is not our cup of tea. We can blah blah in our own language and we can defeat them like that. My friends used to tell me, just to make me happy. And also I told them, no, it's not like that. If they can speak, we also can speak. Because anyways, English is a foreign language. If they can acquire it, we also. And what I am saying is, I used to dream myself. One day, like those children, those girls of that convent school, I also will be speaking. One day, I am going to talk to them in English. I am going to compete with them with my language. That was the simple dream pushed me ahead. As a child, it was my dream. When I grew up, my dream was, I used to dream myself speaking in front of an audience. On the stage, in front of audience, I started dreaming myself doing some public speaking and all. So, what I am saying is, how small your dream may be, how big your dream may be, dream it in your dreams. Dream that you speak English one day. As Kalamji, in his Wings of Fire, he says, dream your dream before your dream come true. I know many of you people want to speak the language. Just dream yourself making a speech or taking a class, or at least speaking fluently and confidently with your friends one day and attending an interview in speaking English. Just dream. Dream, dream, dream. And dream come true. Definitely. Okay? So, like in Alchemist, you might have read that book of Paulo Coelho. So he also sports out the importance of dreaming, the power of dream. So if you have a dream and if you work for it, definitely it will come true. Okay? So dream your dream before your dream come true. See you tomorrow with yet another topic. Till then, bye bye. Good night.